In the heart of Omaha, a quiet revolution is taking place at Omaha Computing Solutions. Buying refurbished computers here isn't just a smart financial move, it's a powerful step toward protecting the environment. Every year, millions of tons of electronic waste end up in landfills, creating toxic pollution that harms the planet. By choosing refurbished computers, Omaha residents are actively reducing this waste. Each refurbished device represents a second chance, keeping it out of the landfill and extending its life cycle. Omaha Computing Solutions specializes in breathing new life into old machines. Their team meticulously inspects, repairs, and upgrades computers, ensuring they meet high-performance standards. This process not only saves money for consumers, but also conserves valuable resources. Manufacturing new computers requires significant energy and raw materials. By opting for refurbished, the demand for new production decreases, leading to less energy consumption and fewer emissions. Moreover, buying refurbished supports local jobs. Omaha Computing Solutions employs skilled technicians who are passionate about technology and sustainability. When residents choose to buy refurbished, they're investing in their community and helping to create a greener economy. The environmental benefits don't stop there. Refurbished computers often come with energy-efficient components, reducing electricity usage compared to older models. This means lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. It's a win-win for both the wallet and the planet. Omaha Computing Solutions also emphasizes responsible recycling. When a computer truly reaches the end of its life, they ensure it's disposed of properly, recycling components and minimizing harmful waste. This commitment to sustainability reflects a broader mission to promote eco-friendly practices within the tech industry. In addition to environmental benefits, buying refurbished computers offers a chance to access high-quality technology at a fraction of the cost. Many people are surprised to find that they can get powerful machines that meet their needs without breaking the bank. Whether it's for work, school, or gaming, refurbished options provide excellent value. So the next time a computer upgrade is on the horizon, consider the impact of that choice. By purchasing refurbished from Omaha Computing Solutions, residents are not only getting a great deal, but also contributing to a healthier environment. In a world where every action counts, choosing refurbished is a simple yet effective way to make a difference. It's about making smarter choices for personal budgets and the planet. Together, Omaha can lead the way in sustainable tech practices, proving that caring for the environment can be both practical and affordable. Join the movement and support a greener Omaha by choosing refurbished. Every small step adds up to a significant change.